Oh, hi everyone. As Last for this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Jiran. Almost 20 years old, and I'm in the third year at Hanoi University. Yes, I was born in Zhengzhou district in An province. It's very beautiful and peaceful countryside with very beautiful place such as Quang Temple, Club Peace, Lotus Village. The special locus is seafood such as shrimp, ink, fish, etc. My family is still living there, but from my study, I must live in a small room in Hanoi now. These are some basic information about me. Do you want to know more? Yes. Let me tell you something more private about myself, like my hobbies, my relationship, my study, and my family. Yes. hmm Well, first, about my relationship, I'm single now, and I feel comfortable about it because I have a peace life with my study and activity with my club in school. So I don't think have a romantic relationship with someone is good for me now. As if not have a boyfriend, I don't feel lonely at all because I have so many good friends to hang out, uh, share many things about my life with them, and they always in my side when I need them. I'm happy about my relationship now. The second, I want to share to you something about my hobbies. Yes, surfing the internet is uh, surfing the internet is what I mostly do whenever I have free time. I also often visit music websites to update new songs on my favorite song collection. Besides, I can know a great deal of things about life and have more learning document by searching on Google. It's very useful too from the internet. You can know anything with one mouse click. Watching film is my second favorite hobby. It's an inflexible way to help me relax after a stressful class. My favorite movie is Daisy, a Korean drama film. Yes. Listening music is my third hobby. I love listening some pop or ballad songs to forget about trouble in my life. My favorite singers are Taylor, as Maria Carey, Milling, yes, etc. About three hobbies I mostly do in my leisure time. Each hobby brings different benefits to me. It's helped me balance my life. However, I also know that I need to balance between entertainment and learning. And the most important, my family. There are four people in my family, as my parents, my younger brother, and I. So my parents employees, yes, they are very very wonderful. As and my younger brother is student that he's handsome, yes, and I love my family very much, and I miss them. So, as you know, I'm a third year student in Honolulu University. My program study is in school is very hard, There are so many laws to research, many enactments to learn. Just remember, especially uh, enactment is difficult. Don't dare to understand this enactment. Yes. So I must try and work very hard to have a good grade in class. One of my biggest problems with my study is my English level. Yes, to understand some laws require a high English level, but unfortunately, as my English is not good at all. So to improve my English, I have tried many ways, like reading grammar book, going in some online English class in internet, but it just can improve my grammar. I still can't hear or speak English. Therefore, after investigating many information, I decided to take that in a class in Ivory English. And like I hope to, it helped me very well. My English skill is improved a lot. So I still can't talk and speak English fluently, fluency, but compared with before, it's a lot better now. Before that I can hear that I can't hear even that a single dialogue in radio, see or say something simple in English and English like instruct myself, do myself, talk out my study. But now a few learn to speak and listen English with our English self. I can understand simple dialogue in English and confident to speak English. I'm very happy about it. I hope if I heard someday I can hear and speak uh, fluency like a student. Yes, will help for me to succeed in marrying that lawyer. Yes, thinking about organization to do how to prevent a big mistake. The person is the right way. It's a plan to move mouth and speak as loud as possible, speak as clearly as possible, speak as clear as possible. And I hope that you and I improve. Yes. Thanks for listening. Bye bye.